Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you're watching to the Market Watch Review. Global equity markets were lower today. The Asian Pacific region's largest bourses fell, including Hong Kong's Seng and index of mainland companies trading in Hong Kong. Stoxx 600 in Europe is down almost 0.5%, while futures for the USA are a little more soft. The G10 currencies are generally stronger than they were yesterday, but the sterling and Canadian dollars are slowing down with little losses. After yesterday's downside reversal, which saw gold plummet to $1,766, following a 5-month high near $1,810. January WTI continues yesterday's losses and is now threatening the $7.5 per barrel level. Asian Pacific market. The Reserve Bank of Australia increased its cash target rate 25 BP to 3.00%. This was the 8th consecutive increase. The Governor Lowe stated that there would be more hikes, but it is not a predetermined course. Tomorrow, Australia will report its third quarter GDP. The Aussie held yesterday's low and has recovered to $0.6740. The Japanese economy is now in a good place after unexpectedly contracting during the third quarter. Composite PMI fell below 50, its lowest level since February. Tomorrow, Japan will report revisions to its third quarter GDP figures and its October current account figures. The trade deficit in Japan almost always increases in December, before it starts to decline in January. Yesterday, the dollar rose to JPY 136.85 and today it has risen to JPY 137.45. Market of Europe. Germany's October factory orders exceeded expectations and the September series was slightly revised to reflect a slight decline. Factory orders rose 0.8% in Oct, which is well above the Bloomberg survey's 0.1% median forecast. Tomorrow, Germany will report industrial production figures. In late Asia-Pacific turnover, the euro briefly fell below yesterday's low of $1.0480. Near 1.0475 was support. The UK Prime Minister Sunak rescinded the plan to make local councils mandatory builders of houses in the face opposition from his own party. Sterling reached new highs yesterday, near $1.2345, before succumbing profit-taking pressures. Today, it was at 1.2160. Market of America. Today, the U.S. reported its October trade deficit. We know from the beginning that the U.S. October trade deficit was $99 billion. This is slightly more than the 7.5% deterioration in the previous year. Canada's October merchandise trade balance is reported. Canada has so far not reported a monthly deficit in trade this year. This would make it the first year with a monthly trade deficit since 2007. Tomorrow is the Bank of Canada's meeting. The U.S. dollar was up against the Canadian dollar on an outside day. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.